guys, welcome back. The Ghost here. I'm gonna try and shoot a quick one for you for Stock Lock Sunday. So this is a Brinks hardened steel guarded shackle padlock that I've had for many years. I actually used this one on my storage shed years ago. So it was outside, and that's where it's got some surface rust. But still works beautifully. This is one that I used before I really knew about good security, I guess you could say. So let's see if we can get into this. I know I can get into this. I've gotten into this lock because, like I said, I've had it for years. I've picked this lock many times, but I figured I'd share it with you guys. So nothing on one. This is full of spools, by the way. So very light on two, and dropped into a false set. Let me see if I can maybe try and get you guys a little bit better view of what's going on. Counter on three. That happens a lot, especially with this lock. Let me try and control my tension wrench a little better. Counter on four, click. Slider counter on five, double click. I think I overset him. Now here's the thing with this lock. If you overset, all you gotta do is very lightly just let up a little bit, and it'll drop right back down. You can go right back to it. Alright, I think I got him. No. Maybe not. That was just falling off the pin. That's the other thing with picking this particular lock, is the pins are so rounded over. Sometimes it's really hard to keep the pick on the pins. Okay, I think we're, like I said, I've picked this lock many times, so I kind of know how this one works out. And this one right in the front here, you need a really thin something to get to it. Okay, back to our false set. I'm just going to go back to the back and check everything and see where we're hanging up. 5 feels set. Sorry, I should say that's actually 6. This is a 6-pin lock. I think that was 4. There we go. There's our open. Alright, so not too bad a pick. Definitely a fun one if you want to learn spools. Let me zoom. Oh, sorry, wrong way. I'll bring it back out here for you guys. Like I said, definitely a fun one if you want to learn spools and have some fun with them. That's the other thing is when you go to close this up, it doesn't actually spin back all the way, so you got to make sure that you relock this one if you're done with it. But anyway, the next thing I want to do is, because this is not removable core, it's got actually a pin that holds the core in, and I want to pull that pin and yank this core out and mess around with it. So We'll see what happens with that. I've already set a. I don't know if it's going to show that or not. Maybe if I can get some focus. There you go. I already set a. I took a punch and made a mark, or made a starting point for a drill bit. So I'm going to work on pulling that pin and yank this core out and just take a look and see what's inside it, and just screw around and have some fun. But anyway, that's Brinks hardened steel guarded shackle padlock, stock lock Sunday. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it legal.